And we're now getting some breaking news from Jammu and Kashmir, where there's a terror cleanup going on, and a terror hideout was busted, and the forces blew up terror hideout in Jammu and Kashmir's Kishtwar forest. The hideout was blasted by the forces, and it was even caught on camera. These are the visuals of the terror hideout being blasted by the forces. So terror cleanup is underway in Jammu and Kashmir, and these are the visuals of the terror hideout being busted by the forces. The forces blew up the terror hideout in Jammu and Kashmir, and this is in the Kishtwar forest.
देखा गुफा इधर तक ओके ओके पूरी गुफा इधर तक नहीं देखो नीचे भी धुआं निकल रहा है नीचे
So these are the visuals of terror hideout being blasted by the forces in the Kishtwar forest. Remember, terror cleanup is underway in Jammu and Kashmir. Operation Akhal is also still ongoing. Today is the 11th day of the operation. Meanwhile, these are the visuals coming from the Kishtwar forest, where this terror hideout was blasted by the forest, by the forces, and it was caught on camera. The Akhal gunfight, meanwhile, the Operation Akhal has entered its 11th day today, and so far 3 terrorists have been killed in that. And another anti-terror operation has been going on in the Dur forest area of Kishtwar, and these are also the visuals coming from the Kishtwar forest, where this terror hideout was busted by the forces. And we're also learning that 2 to 3 terrorists have been trapped by the joint forces inside a cave deep and in the Kishtwar forest. So 2 anti-terror operations have been ongoing in Jammu and Kashmir. First one is the Operation Akhal that has entered its 11th day today, and so far 3 terrorists have been killed in Operation Akhal. On the other hand, there's another anti-terror operation that has been going on in Kishtwar forest, and these are the visuals from Kishtwar forest itself, where this terror hideout was blasted by the forces. My colleague Mir Fareed is now joining us with more details on this. Mir, anti-terror operation has been going on in the Kishtwar forest. We're learning that a terror hideout was in fact blasted by the forces. Give us more details.
Well, Shruti, these are dramatic visuals that have come in from the Kishtwar forest area, from the locations where this anti-terror operation has been ongoing from the last 2 days. And this also showcases the kind of tricky operations security forces have at hand because of the forest jungle setting and these natural crevices, these caves that are being used by Lashkar and Jaish as hideouts. Now, this is dramatic footage, exclusive visuals that we've accessed of blasts, ID blasts, and also importantly, rifle grenades that are being targeted towards these caves as the security forces, army, police try to flush out this Jaish-e-Mohammed group, most probably, which is hiding in these caves. Now, from the last 2 days, the Kishtwar anti-terror operation is ongoing. We've been told that 2 to 3 non-local terrorists, most probably from the Jaish, are hiding in these caves. And this is not about just one cave. There are multiple caves in this small mountain, and forces are focusing on each one because these are the hideouts that these Lashkar and Jaish Cadre are using. And this has been happening from the last 2 to 3 years. Now, as you rightly said, another anti-terror operation, probably the longest in recent times, is ongoing in the Akhal forest area, where it is day 11, and joint forces trying their best to flush out the Jaish-e-Mohammed group. Now, initially, it was given to us that these are Lashkar, but now we've been told this is very heavily armed group of Jaish-e-Mohammed who have night vision devices, who have long scope-fitted rifles, and they are basically engaging the security forces deep inside the forest area, using this jungle setting to their advantage. So far, 2 army Jawans have been killed in action. 12 others are wounded, including some from the special para unit of the army. And that operation also enters day 11. But this footage showcasing the kind of difficulties these operations are giving to the security agencies, considering the jungle settings, the natural caves, crevices, and the dense forest area, which is providing ample cover opportunity for these terrorists to take on the security forces. Back to you.
Absolutely. Mir, thank you for getting us those details. We'll come back to you for more updates on the anti-terror operation that is underway in Jammu and Kashmir.